Hey guys, welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. This is a heads up video. Many times in the past, people have found out about things after the fact, and so I really wanted to do a video before the fact. And many people hate me for giving this information out, but it certainly will impact my chances of being able to pick up some of these collectibles. But there's lots of new people who have recently found the channel and possibly even started coin collecting very recently. Now, this is an Australia Post Impressions 2022 catalogue that has very limited edition collectibles. So I wanted to go through it and just highlight a few of the products that most coin collectors will be interested in. And certainly I'm very interested in a number of these products. The problem is I don't have an unlimited bank account, and a lot of this is going to add up, and a lot of money will need to be spent in November if you wanted to try and get as much as you possibly can. So let's start working our way through this catalogue, and we won't have a look at every single page, but you'll certainly want to have an account with Australia Post Collectibles. So there's some information on screen right now. Have a look at that, pause it if you need to, and just read a little bit about what you need to do in order to be able to purchase some of this product. Now, some of the product will be, and this is what happens each and every year, AusPost will put together a collection of offers which you can put your name down for, I suppose, as a ballot item. So you won't get the opportunity to buy each and every item, very unlikely, but they may offer you one or two items, and depending on whether you like them enough, you can then go on and purchase them. You don't have to purchase them, but most times people will purchase them if they are offered them. So the first two here is a coin and a medallion produced by the Royal Mint. And so some of our UK collectors who are watching the channel may be interested in this one. Certainly a lot of Australians will be interested in because of the subject matter, and that is the Platinum Jubilee. So we'll keep moving on. So only 120 of those produced, and we'll move on to the next one, offer 3, 4, and 5, which this one certainly the Queen's Platinum Jubilee 50-cent coin, which is a limited number of only 150. That'll certainly be a very popular item. And so, yeah, the price is $160 there. Another coin from the Perth Mint. This is a medallion. Medallions aren't as popular with coin collectors, so I won't spend too much time on those. Another Christmas coin here, PNC. Another limited edition, all very limited editions. So choose wisely what you like and what you want to hold. A few stamps and those kind of things, which I won't spend too much time on. I know many of you probably cross over into stamps and coins, but primarily I like to focus on coins. There's nothing really jumping out at me here, is it? What is this? Oh, it's a 1 ounce silver proof coin. So once again, something that may interest some of you. Only 120 of those. This page is probably one of the pages that probably interests me the most. And it's probably this item here, which isn't an offer coin. I think you need to just jump on board at the time of sale, which is, I think, the 2nd of November, which is a Wednesday, so the day after Melbourne Cup Day. So many of you know I've been trying to collect the envelope privy, and here is another envelope privy coin, which is the Year of the Rabbit. So it's a 2023 coin, and that has the Jodie Clark effigy of Queen Elizabeth II. So 888 produced, obviously being a lucky number for the Chinese culture. All right, let's keep scrolling. A few more medallions there. And what have we got? More stamps. Some of these poppy Oh, this is what we need to have a look at. All right, so this tends to happen each year as well. This time we've got a $2 coin, which makes it even more special. Sometimes they do $1 coins. They've done a $5 coin back in 2011, but very limited number of these, 1111. So 11th of November being Remembrance Day at 11 o'clock. Now, this will certainly be one of those ones that people love to hold and keep in their collection, but unfortunately only 1111 are produced. So once again, limit of 2 per customer, which is quite generous, but you will have to get in quick because this kind of stuff sells out super fast. Not seeing anything there. Okay, so here's another envelope privy. So we've got the 150th anniversary of the Overland Telegraph completion collection. So stamps as well as the coins, it looks like. And we've got a Perth Mint coin as well as a Royal Australian Mint coin. And that one there has the envelope privy. So they've packaged it up a little bit differently other than the PNC that did come out with that privy. But if you like it in that way, that might be one you want to grab. If you're an AC/DC fan, they've got some limited edition PNCs. So with each of the 20-cent coins right there. Is there anything special we're seeing on any of these? Any privies? No, I don't believe so. But certainly a limited number. All right, we'll keep scrolling. No, there's more. I've seen it. So it's a fairly big catalogue. I don't think I've seen so much stuff coming out that many of us will want. So obviously this one is a super special one. Only 750 produced of the coloured Crux coin. And there it is there. What are they selling that for? $99.95. Oh, we got another one here of $79.95. So 2,500 of that one with the coloured version and non-coloured version on the PNC as well. Now, what do we have here? This is quite a nice looking PNC as well. We've got the Opal one, limited to 200. Yeah, just checking that there's no little privy mark on that. No. We've got a few others here from the Great Australian Coin Hunt as well. So very limited edition. This is another one that I'll want, which is the Dinosaurs one, and it's 5 coins, all 5 coins in the PNC, which is super special. And we've once again got the envelope privy mark there. Now, I'm not sure if there's, we got 4 on this one, which is pretty cool. So the DINO Dino coin, and another one here, what's this one here? Another 4 coin set. This must be without any privies on it. There's 500 of that one. This must be a stamp one. Oh, a mini sheet. And 1,000 of the Dino ones. I'm not sure there's anything else that we need to have a look at within this catalogue. They've got a few other products that you can choose from a collectibles and numismatic point of view. A few gold coins. I actually love this I almost said koala, but kangaroo gold coin. Yeah, some very nice gold coins there as well. All right, guys, so I think that's about it. We'll keep scrolling just for a moment, just check if there's anything else in here. We've got this Elf on the Shelf, very popular book series, and some other products to keep your PNC. So this is certainly not a promotion for Australia Post. This is purely just to give you guys a bit of a heads up as to what's coming up, and I just wanted to make sure that many of you who are new to the channel have an opportunity, and don't ask me why you didn't let us know, here's your opportunity to know about it, and let me know what you think you might put your name down for. What do you really want to get to add to your collection? Certainly, you will need a few dollars if you want to make the most of this. And this comes the day before. So on the 3rd, Royal Australian Mint are putting out the brand new Remembrance $2 coin. So if you want that one as well, you're going to have to save some dollars for that as well. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the content, and we will have some more for you very soon. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.